Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to continue with the July 2022 Sending Good Thoughts Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what I have here is a card base from the kit and one of the card fronts, one of the banners, and then I took a coastal cabana and used the Stylish Shapes dies. And then I've got a banner, it's one of the greeting banners, but I've got the banner from the kit, and then a Bermuda Bay circle with the Stylish Shapes. And then I used Sending Cheer from the Bottled Happiness set on basic white and cut it out with the smallest of the rings. Actually, it's the second smallest of the Stylish Shaped circles. So this Sending Cheer is the stamp that I used from the Bottled Happiness, and I just really need to layer it up. So couldn't be simpler for this one. If you've got the dies, if you've got punches to do the circles or anything else, if you've still got your layering circles dies, you can use those. I'm just going to pop that down. Some of this I will dimensionalize, but I have to decide how I'm going to dimensionalize it so that the pieces seem to flow. So I'm just going to line this up in the middle, roughly in the middle at the top, like that, and press it down. And I think I'm going to dimensionalize this piece, and I'm also going to dimensionalize that over top. So let's see how that's going to work. Okay. So again, building on the fly. I've got the concept in my head, but I haven't actually built this. So you get to learn from what I do. So we're going to kind of line that up central like that. Then I'm going to put a dimensional on the very, very top of this one, and then on the very bottom, so that it will go over top of the circle but still be kind of fixed down. So what I need to do is take that off, and I need to line this up in the middle, give it a push, and there we go. So it's now dimensionalized above and below. This middle piece is dimensionalized. And I think I'm going to flat mount this onto here. Just line it up in the middle, like, oops, moved it a bit too far. That's better like that. And I'm going to dimensionalize this. I'm just going to pop one on each side. Super simple card, very straightforward, but really effective using all the different elements from the kit. And I am just going to pop this right down in the middle like that. So super, super effective, as I say, and then you're just good to go. I used one stamp. You could use any stamp to fit in the middle. You could do squares, you could do whatever shape you like. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate cards.